How to put image into a table in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Microsoft PowerPoint and go to Insert option. And there you're going to find table, tap on it and insert the size of the table that you want. And once you've done it, just drag the borders to increase the size. Now tap on one of the cells and there you'll see setting option on the top. Go ahead and tap on the drop down and there you'll see picture option. Go ahead and tap on it and then you can choose any of the options here. So I'm going to choose from a file because the picture is saved in my computer. And then choose the photo that you want to put there. Tap on insert. And there you go. The image is in one of the table cells. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.